Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have azo compound with double bond. You are shining the light and you have alkene. Alkene is butene. You have to guess what will be the final product. Here the answer is intermediate. The intermediate formed here is carbene because you have nitrogen. Nitrogen is a very good leaving group. Even little energy can create the carbene here. Here you are using the light. Since azo compounds are poor absorbing molecule, you are using the benzophenone. So you have carbene formation, then reacting with alkene. Alkene here you have triplet formation when it is not stereospecific. Singlet carbene is stereospecific, triplet is stereoselective. Mostly you have mixture of cis and trans there. The concept you have to learn here is whenever you have very good leaving group like nitrogen, you might expect the carbene formation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.